I want to thank you all and Gretchen, who had to step off, for moderating the sessions today. And I really feel like it has been another very full day. We have a lot to think about. We really enjoyed the input from Sangeeta and from all of the breakouts, and we appreciate everyone who participated, as well as the moderators. And I want to encourage everyone to come back tomorrow. So tomorrow we will have, starting at 11 o'clock, we'll have a panel that's focused on measuring impact. So now we've talked about all these great things that we need to do. How do we measure success? And we have a great panel that will share some examples and some ideas. And then we'll have a keynote presentation about nanotechnology commercialization from Chad Merkin, and a closing discussion. So I welcome you to come back tomorrow and to stay through the whole day. I think it will be another very full day. And I just want to thank everybody, and I appreciate your involvement. Was I supposed to toss it back to you, Andy? Do you have any closing thoughts you want to share?
You did much better than I possibly could have done, Lisa. So well done. I just echo Lisa's thanks to the moderators, but really to all the participants in the breakout sessions. I think it's really important. You know, I think what we've heard, just the tip of the iceberg here, is that, you know, these topics are really important, and in fact, the intersection of these topics are really important, right? So the challenge of having parallel breakout sessions is that we miss some of those intersections. But the other thing I think is critically important is that the NNI is fundamentally a federal government initiative, but in fact, the success depends on all the stakeholders and close coordination between the federal government and the various stakeholders. And so this kind of event and ongoing discussions like this, I think, are critically important to where we go over the next decade, let's say, and how this initiative evolves and how we all succeed together. So thanks to everyone for participating. And see everyone tomorrow.
Bye.
Thanks, everybody.